Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking barbershop logo. So if you're in the barber business, be sure to watch until the end. If you're starting a barbershop or want to upgrade your barbershop logo, you'll first need to create an account in Canva. And the best part about Canva is you don't have to create your logo from scratch. You can easily customize ready-made templates designed by professionals. After creating your Canva account, go to the search bar and type Barbershop Logo. Here you can see all the templates available for customization. Click on See All to view every template. If you want to create your design from scratch, you can click here. Take a look at how good these options are. Some are free, and some are paid. Simply scroll through and pick whichever one you like to modify. For example, maybe I'll go with this one. It looks better, and it's free. I'll click on it to see more suggestions. Just choose whichever you prefer and customize that template. Now, customize this template, and you'll have full access to modify and design it however you like. If you want to change the color of this circle, just send it to the back so you can work on it. To change the color, simply go to the color settings and update it like this. If you want to change the font or experiment with fonts, select the text and go to the Font menu to choose your preferred style as you wish. This option is for resizing your text, and this one is for changing the text color. This one lets you make the text italic, underline, or strike through. This option is for toggling uppercase and lowercase, and this one is for text alignment. This is for making lists, and this controls line spacing and letter spacing. This one is for animation if you want to animate, and this option is for positioning. So you can easily modify anything you like. If you want to remove this icon or add your own element, go to the Elements tab and search for Barber. Then go to Graphics, where you'll find plenty of options. Just scroll down and pick whichever element you like. And here's another option. Just click on it, and maybe I'll add a shape. Like this, and I'll resize it. If you want to remove an element, just do so, and add effects or experiment with them. Maybe this one. Yep. And I'll make it a bit bigger. Yeah. So in this way, you can try out whatever you like. Maybe I'll change its color. Maybe brown. Try this effect and change the background color. You can also change the color of this element. So this way, you can adjust colors and add your own elements or text to the background. Just explore and modify whatever you like. Before exporting, make sure to review everything and all your colors. If everything is good to go, export by renaming your file and going to the Share option, then to Download. Choose PNG or any format you prefer. It's available. Just download it, and your barbershop logo is ready. Thank you for watching.